Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the solar wind indicator for MT4 and MT5. This color-coded histogram tool displays market momentum and sentiment shifts using green bars for bullish conditions and red bars for bearish conditions, helping traders identify potential trend reversals quickly. In this video you'll see how the histogram works, how color changes signal momentum shifts. The solar wind indicator is a custom technical tool created for traders seeking a straightforward way to analyze momentum and potential trend reversals using a color-coded histogram system. It displays bars of different colors in a separate window below the price chart, with the transition of these bars from one color to another intended to represent a change in market sentiment. When the market momentum strengthens in one direction, the histogram bars extend accordingly and take on a particular color. And when the momentum weakens or reverses, the bars change color and shift to the opposite side of the axis. Solar wind indicator typically uses green histogram bars extending upward to indicate that market buyers are dominating the market, while red histogram bars extending downward signals that sellers are in control, as you can see on the chart. The simplicity of this design means that traders can quickly identify bullish and bearish periods by observing color transitions without the need for extensive analysis. Traders can glance at the chart and instantly gauge the prevailing sentiment without deciphering complex lines or patterns, making it accessible even for novice traders. Many versions of the indicator allow users to adjust settings such as smoothing periods and sensitivity, making it suitable for different trading styles, whether scalping, day trading, or swing trading. An indicator can be applied to multiple time frames and asset classes, including currencies, pairs, commodities, indices, or stocks, providing consistent visual feedback across markets. Because traders can modify the indicator's parameters, it can be tuned for different levels of market volatility for short-term and long-term strategy. The solar wind indicator is suitable for traders who want a visually intuitive way to understand market sentiment and potential trend shifts, working well as a confirmation tool when combined with trend lines, moving averages, or candlestick patterns. Common applications include entering a trade when the histogram changes color, such as a switch from red to green, signaling buying opportunity, or using multi-time frame analysis to reduce false signals. However, like most momentum-based indicator, the solar wind indicator reacts to price movements rather than predicting them, meaning traders may receive signals after a significant part of the move has already occurred, and in choppy or raging markets, it can generate false signals. You can download this solar wind indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how the color-coded histogram provides visual simplicity and versatility while requiring combination with other tools for reliable decision making. If you like histogram momentum indicators with clear visual signals, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.